Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you all are doing well. So in this video I'm gonna show you how we can create this section in Replo. So we are not going to waste any time and long intro etc. I will just go to Replo and show you easiest way to build this in Replo with mobile responsive. Okay, so if you're new to channel, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, also if you need help about building Replo pages, pre-sale, landing pages, listicle, editorial, and any kind of landing pages to boost your conversions, and don't want to waste your money on the table and losing your money on the table, to fix your pages, optimize your pages, and also if you have a project, there is a WhatsApp link and my contact in the YouTube channel description, so feel free to knock me if you have any questions and concerns. So let's start the video. First of all, I will go to dashboard.replo.app. so this is my YouTube channel. So there are lots of videos recording regarding Replo, so but they are backdated, so I just uploaded 2 months ago a new section about hero banner. So now I will go to Replo and so I will go to my project. Okay, okay, so now after going there, so my friends are messaging. Anyways, I will create a new page. Okay, let me create a new page. Then let's go there. There are lots of pages, so let's go to blank page. Hope you can see me perfectly and you can hear me. Okay, so let's just hide the header and footer. Okay, we did hide the header and footer. The header and footer is hidden. I will just try to, as soon as possible I will finish this. Okay, first of all we have to take the background color. It's variable, so we will search for beige. Oh sorry, it's not available. Okay, let's do this. Let's take this color here, go to left panel, background color. Now it's a full width. Okay, so then what we will do, we'll just see that 80 pixel. Okay, let's give it a padding. Okay, now there is a heading. We will just copy it. We can just right click, paste it here, it will come. We can make it in a group into a container. Okay, let's search for this font. It's there. Okay, let's use a font here, semi bold, anyways 40. Okay, let's give it a 40, 50. Anyways, what's the width of this? 808. Centerized, we just made it easier. Let's do reduce some more width, like let's keep it rounded, 600. And there is a red color which is highlighted. Sorry, let's unlink this. Let's just this part, highlighted part. Okay, perfect. Then if you see here, there is a 4 pixel, but no, there is more than that. If we okay, let's give it a padding, but also we can do something if I want to give it a padding. Anyways, there is a 4 gap. Let's give it a let's make it another group content. Let's header or something head. Let's duplicate it. First of all, give it a, this is a heading 1 or something, heading 2, and this will be paragraph. Okay, then this font is Instrument Sans. Okay, 150%. Let's just give it a color of black and 808. something 808. Okay, don't look at this first for now. Let's make, okay, let's fix this. Just make them fill so they will be wrapped. Okay, now let's give this 600. Okay, let's just give it 600. Okay, 808 600. Okay, perfect. Let's make it. Okay, now let's give it like 12 pixel. Okay, perfect. Now what we will do, we'll calculate the gaps here. 40 pixel. If you see, the gap is 40. Or shift, if you are using Mac, so command, you can use command, I think. And because I am on, sorry, if you have, you can press alt, and if you're Windows, you press alt, click and on any element, then click alt, and then take the mouse cursor to anywhere, so you can calculate the pixels, I mean the paddings and spacings. So it's 40 pixel. So what I will do, I will just duplicate this. First of all, let's calculate the width is 1200, sorry, 1240 1240 pixel. Now let's just, what I will do, go to main section, and because these are in the 2, this is the parent, we can give it 40, so there will be the gap automatically. This is the correct way and best way. If you see, they're same. Okay, first of all, this row 50 and 48 pixel. Okay, so this is 60. Okay, what we will do, we will take 2 columns. We can take a column, I mean container here. Just duplicate, delete this. We can drag this. Okay, perfect. First of all, white color. Okay, we have made it white, and this will be horizontal. There will be no padding first. 48, I think. Okay, 48. Let's take it, export the image. I'm just doing fast so we can't waste time, so you can easily understand. Okay, it's uploaded. Now there is a border radius. If you see, let's calculate what's the border radius, where it is showing from. There is no border radius, I think there is. Okay, I think if I select this, yeah, 24. Let's go to this one. IMG text. So go here, 24 pixel border radius, and keep it none, so it will be automatic border radius. Okay, done. Now we can give it a padding, but we will reduce here, and here we will give it a padding because the padding is coming from the left side. Or what we can do, like we can give it from the middle also, but let's give it just from here, 48 pixel. So also one thing, it's 606, so we can give it a 606 also, so it will be. Or what we can do, there is another way, and let's remove it from here. Click on this, the main parent of this, and 48. So let's then see what's the width of this. But you know, image should be 606, so image should be 606. Then let's remove this, and from this side let's give it a padding. Okay, now copy this, paste this with wrap. First of all, let's do this, then duplicate this, then horizontal vertical decision, vertical alignment, this one also same, width, okay, and then 48, okay, no need for, okay, let's see the stylings. Instrument sense 2150, instrument sense black 150%, and in somewhere there is bold, like eating less. You can do anything, like select this and bold. I'm just doing some areas bold. Okay, also Windows I mean Control B for bolds. Let's copy, right click, copy styles, right click, paste style, so it will take the same styles, and click on this left container. What's the spacing? 20 pixel, give it a gap, 20 pixel, done. Section is done. So I will not make this same. Okay, so in this video I am just showing this part. Okay, now for let's come to mobile. Let's go one by one. Okay, so let's calculate the spacing. 48, 16, 16. If you see, right click, okay, 48, 16 of the main section. Okay, the page has a padding. No, we will not give the page padding. Section has no padding, but remove this. Mistakenly I give the padding to the page template. Okay, now perfect. 48, and from left right 16. Okay, perfect. 26. Okay, 26 and 32 something, 38 something left. Okay, like 8 something. I'm just doing from my side. Okay, it should be like 17, 150%. It's the good one, a good rule to follow this. Okay, 32 gap, 32. Now for this, just we will select the image with text main parent, make this fill width and vertical. Look, it's fixed. And what we will do, we will just reduce like 15, 20 for top, 20 for bottom. Also for here we will just do some, reduce some. Okay, like similar, and the image should be to the top. Let's first of all we will go to the container. Okay, what we will do, we will select the parent image with text, reverse, click on reverse, so the image will go up, and see, the section is done. So this is the one of the fastest and simplest way to build in Replo. So if you have any project or something like this, you can like visit my channel. I will, if you go to any of my video, you will get a link. There are lots, there is a link preview, there's Discord, there is Facebook, this is my Instagram, there is my WhatsApp number to contact with me for any kind of collaboration, to work with your, if you are any agency owner, brand owner, if you need someone to help in your project. And I just don't do template design, I'm a CRO based landing page designer and Shopify developer. So if you have any projects or where I can help, or if you need some consultation, just contact with me. I will try my best. And thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Okay, and if you have any questions, do in the comment in this part. I will surely answer. Thanks for watching this.